Welcome to Tokyo Auto Salon. This is the Work 2018 stand at Auto Salon. Let's see what they got. This is the specialty stand they've got here. You can have custom rims lasered to your personal taste. No idea why there are loads of kids at Auto Salon on the press day and they have pink hats. This is Toyota's GR Super Sport concept. Check out the tyre, you can see through the bonnet. And this is the bare bones of the Super GR concept. What is this? Let's find out. Alright, it's a Toyota Noah. Yeah, Noah as in the Christian towel. This company, Modelista, they do custom interiors, I think. Custom packages. That's quite nice. Wood. This type of car is very popular in Japan for family cars and stuff. Rather than having a four-door sedan, most people buy these because of safety, the design, convenience. They have so many features nowadays. And this huge grille is the distinctive look of a Japan family car. This is the Lexus SC with a custom printed, 3D printed body kit. It's pretty insane. Pretty damn wide. And if you notice, these lights are the infinity mirror type. They go on forever. This is what the body kit looks like just off the 3D print. Oh man, these wheels are beautiful. Guess what car it's on? More than you can afford, pal. Ferrari. So this Mercedes-Benz 4x4 is completely carbon. Check that out. It's not a wrap. The panels are made out of complete carbon. A company called Mansory from Germany. And this is their first time in Japan. The main car here seems to be a Lexus, but I've only seen about 1% of Auto Salon, so let's check out the rest. Oh man, this fit is so nice. I love the hard race look, ready for some grip action. Look at these weird wheel spoke covers. They screw on. I've never seen this before. Anyone care to explain? For looks or performance? These Rahana wheel designs are pretty nuts. These spokes aren't actually touching the rim and they are forged one piece. Here's me looking at a wheel and then all these guys looking at the lady. Some serious style and sophistication over here at Artisan. More Lexuses. So Auto Salon back in the day used to be more about complete custom body kits, stuff like that. But nowadays it's just bolt-on kits, stick on wheels, coilovers, not really custom, and it's kind of boring. But you still get companies like Liberty Walk And there's secret lineup over here, they haven't announced it. Pretty excited for that. And there's a little brother version of it. Little brother? Big brother? Little brother? And this plate up style is common, so police and cameras can't see your number when you're racing. It's a Honda SSX 660R. It's a small 600cc engine. It looks quite big in the video, but trust me, it's small compared to an R35. This thing is so sick. It's so small. Holy fucking shit. This looks good. Workmeisters. It's just like perfect. And now we're gonna head to the center hall, hall 1 to 6. Check out the rest of it. Let's find some more custom shit. Yes, now this is what I'm talking about. Check out this Celsius. Not sure about the orange and green. That's a bit random. That camber boy is so fucking fat. This Gloria is sick. Mesh? Focus Racing, yeah. Ooh, check out the interior. I think it's a Nardi 4-spoke. It's even got a Gloria horn button. Nice detail. I just noticed this is the pillarless type of car. There's no door pillar, so you open the door, there's nothing there. If you don't know this type of car, it's back in the day people couldn't afford to race on the tracks, so they started making these cars on the street to race on the street. But eventually the body kits became more crazier, and you can see the shark nose at the front, which is a certain shin snapper. I'm not sure how this relates to VIP, but there you go. This is a common type of van in Japan, high ace with the flat fronts, almost vertical. Massive custom scene out here in Japan. More crazy Japanese style minivans. This is a Toyota Velfire. Yeah, that's a fantastic name. I so badly want one of these. I bought a Honda Stepwagon, which is also a minivan, but it's way before the period of these flat-fronted noses, so it kind of looks like a normal car on the front. But I'll make it look cool. Lower it down, put some mouse wheels on it, and you can put 8 people in there, so good for drift events and that. Japan styling right here in Tokyo. Oh man, these wheels look so good on this. Ah, my fucking eyes, I'm tripping right now. Ah! I guess he likes it. Reverse mesh, I don't know. Holy fucking shit, this thing is rad. DAD automotive accessories. Wow. Pimping to the max. Well, that's the front. This is the center. Ah, so comfortable, looks so nice in there. Rear as well. Look at these accessories. Ashtrays, trays and trays, and holders, and handbags, and seatbelt straps, and mirrors, and TVs, and curtains. Anything you want. Holy smokes, check out that mirror. This is a Honda N-Box, the same theme as the Velfire, and a Prius, I think. It just doesn't look like one. Wow, check that out. Does this make you want to change your mind about a Prius? Still not a fan of these wheels. I wish they were the right way around. I don't think I'd want to go into my house after work. I'd just want to sit in the car. These look kind of weird, like soggy bags. Some more of these really close but not touching spokes by TWS. So tight. You gotta think these wheels do flex a little bit when racing and driving. Check out these Honda Cubs in the Repsol graphics. Pretty cool. So this is the new Honda concept step wagon, which is got the flat front, vertical front. Totally different to mine, and I think it's modular, so the rear door's kind of weird. I'll show you. Oh, so you can open it on the left, or you can open it like a regular trunk. Wow. Thank you. So as the Honda staff kindly showed me how to open the rear trunk, this rear section is the concept part. So if you're buying a car brand new from the dealership, you can have this installed yourself as an extra option. This is what the most recent step wagon looks like on the inside. The standard electronic door. This is old technology now. What's that in there? Is that a Boss Black? That is in this ATJ race car. I'm not sure you guys are ready for this. Video just can't capture the blinding sparkliness. Oh, my eyes. Those of you that have played Need for Speed 1 and 2 back in the day, you may recognize the Leon Hardit brand. And these wheels may be familiar to some of you guys. This is Valenti lights and systems. I've just been blinded. The brightness called brilliant. Someone care to explain to me what that means? The all popular Weds crayons style. Now if you don't know Weds, they're extremely popular wheel in the drift scene. The crayons as well, the Cerberus, but they don't have any on display. But there are a load more other wheels that people in the drift scene they don't use. But I think they look amazing. Got the Weevil, it looks absolutely insane. And this is the Weevil on the Lexus. It looks so good. And the Cerberus are so expensive, and they still make these. And I'm guessing they're probably not as expensive as the rarer type. Look at these tiny wheels. It must be 10-inch. It's a standard BM wheel. So cool. And you can get custom valve nuts made, or even wheel nuts. Holy fucking shit. Honda Odyssey. Wow. Holy smokes. He's got enough NOS in there to blow himself up. Okay, it's not NOS, but... shit. Die cock. Okay. It's pretty sick. It looks so rad. I was so close to buying a Honda Odyssey, but I went over height, over coolness. This is the Nissan NV 350. Oh man, I'm loving these arches and wheel size. What size are these? They're 15s, they look tiny. Damn, I used to run these on my BMW E36. Again, the vertical nose. That spoiler just finishes it off. This Nissan NV200 we use in England as a standard van, but look what the Japanese have done to it. Front seat swivel. Have a cup of tea. And check the back. You can cook breakfast to lunch, and you got a sink as well. This is Kazuma Auto's S15. Street car, I think. This JZX 100 Chaser, is that a custom bonnet modification? It looks pretty rad on the headlights. This one evokes. It's one of Power Vehicle's Kazuma Auto's cars, I think. It's got a GP wing. Pretty insane rear spats. You could call it spats, I guess. Oh, it says JZX. This is 326 power. Stand here at Tokyo Auto Salon. I'm just waiting for Ali from Street Track Life to come in, because he runs 326 in the UK, which is pretty fucking cool. This is the kind of shit they sell, 326. This is the US S15, running slot mag type wheels. G fucking corporation. And their S15 G Corp wing. JZ. A Mark X with another appearance of the crayons. Oh, it's crayons. This is the most recent Mark type of the Toyota series. Mark 10. look, SCs. This is a Toyota Crown by the company ALS, running BBSs. The German styling there. Look at that interior. Living the life of a gangster. I can't believe this is called Stoner Car Care. Stoner. I think we're about 50% through Tokyo Auto Salon, and we've just come to hall number 3. Car modified Honda's Mark II. Damn, this colour is wild. The video just does not capture how good this looks. Yokohama Bayside. Costco over there. Bride. Nissan. Bride again. And Bride again.
The car is built in a way where it's sliding the seat.
Holy shit, I think I'm in heaven. Ari Amiya. Blitz. Seriously dude, this is so cool. And this is an old school Cosmo 13B. One of Ari Amamiya's cars. Check out the paint on the bonnet. Don't know if you can see that. Oh, there you go. Yes, there is the up garage at Tokyo Auto Salon as well. Look at this PS13. Wow. Dude, check out this BMW i8 with this kit. It looks pretty rad. I think i8s are so cool. Check out this Morris Minor at the Endless stand, and it's got a bakery. It's all sticking up with Endless Bakery too. Oh my god. High Performance Bakery. Just heading to the North Hall now. That was the main hall over there. That's the North Hall over there. There's a lot more booths and more drift cars. This is R31 houses, R31 Skyline with 1,000 horsepower. RB30 engine. This is a Toyota Camry. Saudi Arabian drift videos on YouTube. This is one of those cars. It's 2,000 horsepower. That's just incredible. And they're sponsored by Trust. The top secret booth. Oh my god. This is the hard-tuned Origin Labo stand with Naoki Nakamura's PS13. He's lowered it recently. I don't know if it's just for the show or what. And Garage Jules Chaser. Check out them headlights. Wow. More comments. These cars are so bright, my camera's gone dim. This is Team 3's Verosa. You might have seen this in the Mikal Motorland video. It's on the Drift Tengoku stand. Liking this exhaust. Fuel coming out the wrong way. You've probably seen this in Noriaro's videos. The quad turbo Silvia. 4 exhausts. And I'm guessing he's got 4 boost gauges or something. Or 1? I don't know. We're in the International Tuning Car Exhibition Walk. It's quite small. We've got Dory 10, a few small tuning car companies, and these Star Road fair ladies right here. I love the color on this 86. It looks a bit weird on video though. This Velfire has been stretched by 200 centimeters. Oh my goodness. It's built by Victor exclusive, built here. Let's take a look inside. Okay, you can't see anything in the back. Wow, that's the longest minivan in Japan, I think. That's about 50 or less % of Tokyo Auto Salon covered. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you liked the video, please leave a like, a comment, any interesting comments about cars that you've never seen before. And I'll catch you in the next one.